Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Wednesday, December the 11th. Okay, let's take a look at what happened here. Two trades that I entered yesterday were simply cancelled. One is Cree. Ironically, the stock did very well today, and this is a bullish trade. Would have been great, wouldn't it? Let's move it to the Analyze tab. And if everything had gone all right, I would have made $66 in profits. Well, okay, so it didn't happen. Big deal. Let's try it again. Let's take a look at the chart. Yes, I'm still bullish. Yes, it makes sense to enter it. And it fits my certain conditions. And I'm going to enter, let's see, if I do 3 of them, it will be $500. So I can do only 2. $336 to make $246. It seems less than ideal because what we want is something very close to like investing 300 to make 300, that kind of thing. When it is a less money, it's because it's more probable that you end up with a profitable trade. Okay, so it's not ideal, but I'm entering it anyway. It's a good bullish trade. Confirm and send. Okay, what about the other one, the Cisco trade? Would we be able to enter it? And would we still be interested in it? Let's take a look. Chart. Yeah, not much change on that one. So yeah, I think we could try that. I'm investing $321 to make $279. And we will receive only a little less credit for it. So in reality would be investment of $321 to make $279. Yeah, so 3 lots would be $300. So create duplicate, confirm and send. Very good. Okay, I want you to look at this. Let's go to the monitor tab, and I've been showing you how I make the decision of get out of the trades based on the P&L percentage. Well, you would like to see it here so that you see the return on the bullish trades and the bearish trades. So let's enter this here, the P&L percentage here in the front activity and positions. That's what I call the front. It's the front page because it's in the first tab of the first tab. So anyway, click on this gear icon and enter P/L and you see percent. So select that and say add items and then say OK, and it shows here. And I'm interested in closing stock trades that have 50% P&L percent or more. Click that to organize them accordingly, and we have XRX, that's a bearish trade, and so is BA, and they're both above 50, so you could potentially close those 2 positions. Here you have how the market has been going up and up and up, and here we have 2 bearish trades that have been gaining more than 50%. So it's not all bad news. So you need to let them work, and when they work, you get them out. That should be our philosophy. Let's do the same for the bullish trades. Again, click on the gear, enter percent P&L, and oh yeah, it's already there. Say OK, and we double click here to make sure that they're organized, and we have Twitter at 64.8%. Okay, so we could consider exiting GWTR on the bullish side, and on the bearish side XRX. On the bearish side we have XRX and BA. Okay, so let's take a look at a chart. I'm going to make up my mind by the looks of the chart. So TWTR. Do I believe that this stock is now reversing and going lower, or do I think it's going to go higher? It's interesting because it has a strong day today, but I still am bearish on it. And we've been making money on the plus side, so yeah, I think I'm going to close this because despite today's day, which is a bullish candle here, yeah, it looks like it might be topping out here. Just as soon get my money out of the trade. Okay, so let's select. You can select both legs on the Analyze tab. This is where we are, Analyze, and then say Analyze Closing, and that creates the vertical close, and we will buy back the trade for 33 cents. And let's see, if we go to the account statement, and here's Twitter, and this is the trade that we entered on November the 18th. And this is more than 50%, and we started here in November, and we would have to go a couple of weeks more. Okay? So, it seems like a good idea to close it. All right, that was Twitter. Then we have XRX or Xerox. XRX. And question is, do I think it will continue on lower? Yeah, it looks like it's continuing lower. This today is called a top, and as in TOP, it has the shape of a very tiny body candlestick. That could be a reversal point, but it's a very weak reversal signal. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that, considering that I should be making my money back with that. Okay? And then we have BA. Do I think that this is going lower? That's a nice bounce back. That's okay. Let's close that one. We have more than 50% on it, and I just don't want to take chances. It's ironic because if we had been here early in the day, that was open much lower and then filled the gap and closed higher. Would have been a good trade to get out this morning if I had the chance. Okay, let's just close it. And we end up with $1.49 profits. All right. I think I considered closing that before. And then I have a new trade that I want to enter on AMGN. And this is a bearish trade. It's a short call spread to expire in January 25th, risking $258 to make 140. That doesn't sound good. No, I'm sorry, it's $110 to make 140, so we want to triple that even. So we're investing $330 to make 420, so this is, yeah, that's ideal actually. I don't know why it was giving me the wrong information before. But I reset. You can just reset things here by saying reset slices, and that gives you the correct information. You can delete everything except for the zero here. If you see here, stock price 34.50, offset 0. Okay, so that means that where we are is here is where the stock is. You can delete the others. and this gives you a picture probability of success on that one. Okay, let's do that. Confirm and send. That's another bearish trade. So as you can see, I've been entering bullish and bearish trades pretty much despite whatever my views in the markets might be. Okay, so you have to sort of keep an open mind, not let your beliefs of what the market is going to be to determine whether you enter a trade or not. At least that's my philosophy. Okay. The other is PEP. Let me just check on that because I'm not sure if I want to enter that trade after all. Yeah, let's see what we can do here. Okay, so it will be a very bearish trade. We can enter on the put side or the call side. Let's see, 38, 36. Ask and bid. And we could enter 4 lots here. Keep in mind when you enter 4 lots, your commissions are getting larger. Okay, if you're entering more and more. Okay, so my potential is 476, 324. That sounds pretty good. Okay, I guess it's the volatility is very low, so that determines that. Okay, so that's a bearish trade. Confirm and send. All right, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. If you are new to this site, please consider registering, subscribing rather, becoming a member, so that you, and also click on the bell so you get that notification. It will be very helpful for me if I get more subscribers. Right now I have something like 400. If we have more, then I will be more motivated to keep on this show going. So I thank you very much for your support. If you do that, it's very the sort of something that I would very much appreciate. And so that's it for today. Thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
For this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.PutCallGenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.